The latest in the brutal rape of a 5-year-old girl in Delhi, accused Manoj Kumar, who's the main accused in the case and was brought to Delhi yesterday after being held in Bihar, will now be produced in court later today. Police will interrogate him to find out if there was anyone else involved in this brutal crime. Meanwhile, the survivor is still in hospital, but her condition is said to be stable and improving. Doctors say she is responding well to medicines and could be discharged in the next few days. The national capital yesterday once again saw angry protests with people demanding action and justice. Yesterday, protesters took to the streets outside the police headquarters, outside the Gandhinagar police station at AIIMS, where the survivor is recuperating, and outside the Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde's residence. Some more protests are likely to be held in the day ahead today.
At present, her general condition is stable. She is recovering and continues to be under close observation and monitoring. She is conscious, alert, and all her parameters are within normal limits. She is speaking to her parents.
There's some good news to this horrific crime. Finally, Shubhajit Sengupta now joins us from outside AIIMS, where the survivor is recuperating. Shubhajit, first get us an update on her health.
See, as far as her health concerns are concerned, it is a little concerned because the infection is there, but the doctors say she is responding very well to the treatment. The antibiotics are acting on her and she is stable. She is completely in her senses. She is communicating with her parents and she is in the general ward. All these show there is a general sign of recovery, that she is doing well from what her condition was, say, about 48 hours ago from now. But she will be needing correctional surgeries in her private part, because of the kind of injuries that she had suffered. Remember, it was one of the most brutalizing tales which we have heard in the recent past. The doctors saying that he hasn't seen anything like that in his last 23 years of medical career.
Shubhajit, speaking of the accused, now we know he's going to be produced in court later today. Tell us what is expected there, and are there more protests planned today?
The accused will be produced in court in the later half of the day in the Karkatuma court, which is the concerned court for the East District. Now, about what will happen from there on is the police will ask for a test identification parade. Test identification parade is the parade in which the accused is produced before the survivor and then the person identifies. Now, if he agrees for a TIP, then he will be sent to judicial custody. Else, the police will take police custody of this. And then from there on, we'll have to see how it unfolds in the court of law. As far as protests are concerned, sporadic protests are expected around the city. Essentially, the two main focal points would be ITO, where the police headquarters are based out of, and India Gate. Some sporadic protest elements are likely to come in at AIIMS. However, doctors have strictly said that it is not the right place to protest, because different patients come in at all points of time and the gates should be kept free from all kinds of protest activities. But we'll have to wait and watch how the protests take place in the morning. We are expecting the protests to intensify towards the later half of the day, around 5 to 7 p.m, when a couple of groups are planning to converge on the India Gate.